So if you are trying to build your audience on Instagram, I think you have heard of that people say content is the king. And why is that? Because when a visitor coming into your page, the first thing they will see is your content. And if they find your content is valuable, they love your page, they're going to follow your page. And this is the only reason people follow your page. So this is why content is so important. But the question is, how do you actually create a content that go viral and is for free and it's easy? Then this is the video we're going to discuss today. Welcome back, guys. So before we start, if you're new to this channel, then this channel is all about making money online, especially Clickbank and Instagram marketing. I will show you step by step to build your audience on Instagram. Then you can start monetize and sell any product you want and making money this way. So if you're interested about this kind of content, then subscribe to the channel and also turn off the notification bell and smash the like button. And also, if you have any question, you are always welcome to leave inside the comment section. I will reply to each and every one. And if you want to send a private message to me, you can follow my Instagram page at successcrow1. Then you can send a private message on this Instagram page. I will reply to your question. Okay, so right now let's jump back to today's video. Alright, so here are the steps that we're going to create a content on our page. So first thing that you need to do is you need to go onto the similar page. For example, you can see this page, one of my page is in the business motivational niche. So I'm going to go up to the search bar. I'm going to type in business. I'm going to search the related page as same as my page. So I'm going to click on the first page that we can see. Then first we're going to do is we're going to scroll down, we're going to take a look and we're going to find the most viral content. So we're going to take a look from the like. We can see this post has got 679 like. So that's taken. This one has got 1,000 like. Okay, this one has got 2,500. Okay, so out of these posts, we can see this post has got 2,500 likes, then those posts are the most viral content. Then all we do is we're going to do a similar post like this. So first we're going to do is we're going to take a look from the word. It says, I trained 4 years to run 9 seconds. Some people don't see the result in 2 months and give up. So this is the message we're going to do is we're going to write exactly the same the message, but we're going to change the photo. So when we change the photo, then this content will be our original content. There won't be any copyright issue. The photo that we're going to download is that royalty-free website. You can use Unsplash, you can use Pixabay, you can use Pixel, or you can just go up to Canva. So right now let's jump onto Canva. I'm going to show you step by step to create a similar post just like this one. Then we can put this post on our page as our own content. So this is the Canva homepage. So all you need to do is you just sign up with Canva. Canva is for free. You don't have to upgrade. Then you can start to using Canva. Then once you have signed in, then you're going to click on Instagram post. Okay, and normally I will put the background into black. So I will click on the post that we want to make and click on this and click on black. So now we have a background with the black color. Then the next step is to do is we need to put the photo. So we can see from the message, it says, I trained 4 years to run in 9 seconds. Some people don't see the result in 2 months and give up. So you can see the message is about running. So we're going to go up to Canva. We're going to find a photo that is related to running. So I'm going to click on photos and I'm going to type in running. Type enter. So we can see there's a lot of photo that you can use, and you can see at the right bottom over here it says pro. this is the photo that you need to pay. So if you are a free member, then just don't use this one. You just use the free one. You can see here at the right bottom, it says free. And if you are a free member, you just use the free one. If you upgrade your Canva, then you can use the pro one. Okay, and I already upgrade, so I can use the pro one. So I will just select any photo that I like. So let me choose one photo that I like. Okay, maybe this one, I like this one. So I will choose this one, then I will drag and I will drop. Okay, so we can see now we have the photo. Then the next step is we need to do is we need to type the exactly send message. So we can do is we're gonna click on text, and we're gonna click on heading, and we can make this bigger, make it larger. Okay, so now we're gonna type in the message. Okay, so now I type in the message, you can see over here, and the word is in black, so people can't see this. So we're gonna do is we're gonna change into white. Click on this and click on white. Okay, so we still can't see that, and you can do is you can put this color in the dark color so people can start to see these words. This word will stand out. So how do you do that is you're gonna click on the photos, then you're gonna click on this, then you're gonna drag this to a darker size, a darker photos, so these words will start stand out. Okay, so now people can see these words, and normally I would like to use these are capital letters. So I will do is I will select on this word and I will click on this uppercase, so everything will be uppercase. So I will manage this as the size that I want. So I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller and make it longer. Okay, I will make it the size that I want. Okay, so here you can see I've made this post. So you want to take your time to play with Canva. Canva is for free, so you can take your time to play around it and make your photo more creative, more beautiful, than people want to take a look from your post. Okay, so after you have done your post, then you can do is you're gonna click on download. Then you're gonna download this into your desktop. Then now we can do is we're gonna jump onto a schedule post, which is we're gonna use Facebook, because Instagram is owned by Facebook, so we can use Facebook to schedule our post. Then when time goes on, this post will go live on our Instagram page, and this is pretty important because we want to schedule all the posts on our best time for our Instagram page. So right now, let's jump onto Facebook. Okay, so now I'm on Facebook. Then the next step you need to do is you need to connect your Facebook page with your Instagram page. Then you can start to schedule all the posts on Facebook, and when time goes on, Facebook will automatic to post these posts on your Instagram page. Then when you are sleeping or when you do something else, Facebook will still post these content on your page. So this is really, really good. Okay, so how do you do that is you're gonna create a new page on your Facebook first. If you don't have one, if you already have one, you can just use that page to connect with your Instagram page. Okay, so I'm gonna click on one of my page. You're gonna do is you're gonna go out to the left hand side, you can see the setting, then you're gonna click on setting, then you're gonna scroll down, you can see Instagram. So you're gonna click on Instagram. Then you can see here you can connect your Instagram with Facebook, because mine is already connected, so you can see my information on this page. So you will be having an instruction over here and tell you how to connect. So after you have connect your page, then all you do is you're gonna go up to the search bar, you're gonna type in Creator Studio, and you're gonna click on Creator Studio. Then you can find the first one, everything you need to manage your content, create posts, and view inside across your Facebook page and Instagram account is using this Creator Studio. So you can click on Creator Studio. Then you're gonna click on this Instagram sign on the top here. then you'll go up to this page. Then you can start to post content on this page. Then we can see there's a lot of different things. The first is the content library, and here is the calendar, and here is the insight, and here is the monetization, and here is your Instagram account. Okay, so all we do is we're gonna click on Instagram library, and we can do is we're gonna create a post. Click on create a post. So here on Creator Studio, you can create an Instagram feed and IGTV. And unfortunately that you can't create a story on Creator Studio. If you want to create a story, you need to manually use your phone. So right now we're gonna do is we're gonna click on Instagram feed. Then you're gonna choose the page that you want to upload. Then you're gonna choose the photo that you want to upload. So click on add content. Then click on from file upload. So it will be from our desktop. So I'm gonna select the photo that we just download. So now you can see this is the photo that we just made with Canva. Then you're gonna do is you're gonna write a caption. Then the caption that I will recommend is you're gonna write something like, the first part you're gonna say something about this post, and the second part you're gonna tell people to do the call to action, to follow your page and to like this post, to comment on this post, to save, to share this post. And then lastly, you're gonna place your hashtag. So right now I'm gonna just quickly to do all this. Okay, so now I've done with my caption. You can see from here, the first part I say, focus on your goal and never give up. This is related to the post that I post on this page. So I'm going to say something about this post. And secondly, that this is the call to action. I will tell people to double tap, and that it means to like on this post. And if they like this post, they're going to share and they're going to take someone to see this post. Then the next part, I add some hashtag. So this is just a quick part, and all you need to do is you're going to at least to add 15 hashtag. I would recommend you're going to add at least 15 hashtag, because when you are a new page, hashtag is the only way that you can reach the people on follow your page. So this is pretty important. If you're a new page, I would highly recommend you're going to place hashtag on your post. So if you don't know how to find a hashtag, you don't know how hashtag work, you can check out this video right now on the top, or I will leave inside the comment section. And after watching this video, then you're going to watch that video on the top. Okay, so the video will show you every step by step to find the hashtag you can use and everything that I do. Okay, so after you have done with your caption, then you can do is you can click on this drop down menu. Then you can publish right now, or you can schedule your post. You can set the date, you can set the time, or you can save as drop. And I will recommend you can start to use the schedule feature. So this is pretty good, because when you schedule these posts, and Facebook will post for you, and if you are doing something else, or maybe you are sleeping, then Facebook will still post on Instagram for you. And you can just schedule the best time for your Instagram. You can go up to your Instagram analytics and you can take a look what is your best time, and you just schedule the time, and when time goes on, Facebook will post for you. So this is how I create my content, my original content on my page. You can see I just go up to other people's page and I will take the most like. Why I take the most like? Because people are like this post, and that means if that post go up here to go viral on other people's page, then there will be a high chance this post will also go viral on my page. So this is why I will take a look from the most like. So after that, I will take these word out of these photos and I will make my own photo. Then this photo, this content will be my original word, and I won't run into any copyright issue. This is really important. You don't just want to copy and paste. You want to change the photo, then this is your original work. And also you use the photo that is royalty free. Okay, so I will recommend that you're gonna do is you're gonna post at least every day with one post. That is the minimum, and you can post like 1 to 3 posts every single day. Then you will start to see that some of your posts will go viral, then will generate a lot of followers on your page. Then you can start to gaining followers. Then your page will start growing a lot of followers. Then you can start to put any product in your bio, and people will start to buy your product, and you can start making money this way. So at the end, I want to say that if you want to learn step by step how to build your Instagram page to a huge amount of audience and sell any product to them and making money this way, then you can check out this ebook. This ebook will show you how an image can tell 1,000 words and make people mad for your product and service, how to create an Instagram page, how to grow your Instagram page 10 times, how to convert your loyalty followers and make a most popular post into sales, how to grow a successful Instagram account without posting a single photos, how to use the Instagram advertising, how to set up a business account and go verify and use the shopping on Instagram, and also the most important part is how to create your personal brand and become an Instagram celebrity and get paid to wear nice clothes. So here are the features about this ebook. It can really show you a lot of things to step by step to build your Instagram page. And also there is 3 bonus. There is a point by point check this, and there is also resource check sheet, and there is also a mind map that you can learn a lot of things from this ebook, and it's only cost you $9.99. If you are interested about this ebook, you can click the link in my description box. It will be the first link. Alright, so basically this is all for today, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because this channel is all about making money online strategy. And if you love this kind of content, then subscribe to the channel and also turn off the notification bell so you won't miss any of my future making money online videos just like this one. And also smash the like button if you got value out of this video. And if you have any question, you are always welcome to leave inside the comment section. And if you want to leave a private message to me, you can go up to my Instagram page at successcode1. Then you can follow this Instagram page and you can send me a private message. I will reply to each and every one. Okay, so thanks for your time. I'm Johnson Lin. I will see you in the next video. See you. Bye.